Yes, it is visible.
Okay, fine. So coming to this particular class, it is nothing but LWC. Okay, full form of LWC is a Lightning Web Component. LWC has been started in 2019. Okay, every companies have been using LWC. Yeah, mainly what is the exact use of LWC? LWC is nothing but a front-end UI. Okay, to develop front-end UI, so we can use a this particular LWC. So what we are going to be teaching the coming classes, I'm saying again, it's a real-time project-oriented training. I'll teach from scratch, whatever it may be, I'll teach from scratch. Okay, so first of all, I'll teach with LWC. So because the people who are from non-IT backgrounds, IT backgrounds, whatever it may be, so definitely they will not face any difficulties. Okay, and also I'll teach different types of scenarios. Okay, different types because I had an experience at most from 2020 onwards. I'm doing the LWC. Previously, I had 10 plus years of experience in the Salesforce industry. I had a good knowledge on different types of scenarios. Okay, I'll give you the different types of scenarios. Each and every topics. Apart from this, assignments are also given. And interview questions are also will be given at the end. Okay, this is the benefits which I'm providing. Okay, first of all, let me try to discuss the content. What I'm going to be taken, how the pattern should be. Okay. So if you have any doubts, means you can clarify it. First of all, I'll start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Because first of all, you need to know the fundamentals. When you're clear in fundamentals, then you can go further. Okay, first of all, I'll teach with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. After that, let me try to teach the LWC. And another thing is, yeah, LWC basics. When you are learning any of the programming language, you need to learn the basics. Okay. Simultaneously, whenever you are learning LWC, also you need to learn some LWC basics. So coming to the LWC basics, what you are going to be learned? Yeah. Coming to the LWC basics, you are learning about decorators. Everything. For example, I'm explaining decorators. I'll give you some practical scenarios. Okay, everything. I'll give you some practical scenarios. Okay, for each loop, iterator. Okay, getter method. One-way data bind, one-way and two-way data binding. Everything I'll give you the examples. Okay, when I'm explaining this particular topics, I'll design application. Definitely, this particular classes, whatever which you had been joined, definitely it is a fruitful for your journey in upcoming your projects or whatever it may be. When I'm teaching LWC basics. Okay, so this is an org. Everyone has their own org. If they don't have org, means you can create it. Is everyone able to see the LWC basics? I'll teach. These are all the different types of examples I'll teach. Okay. Different types of practical scenarios, and I'm teaching LWC basics.
Yeah. Venkat, I have a query. Can I ask?
Yes, yes, please.
I have a query.
Yes.
How about HTML JavaScript? That you will also cover, or it's like?
Sharon.
How about HTML, CSS, JavaScript? That also you will cover?
I'll cover. Yeah, that's only no. I mentioned. First, I'll teach CSS and JavaScript. Then I'll go to LWC basics. Okay. So coming to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, there are some things that are required, Sharon. Okay, that particular things what which are required for LWC. Everything I'll cover in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then I'll go to LWC basics. Okay, when I'm teaching LWC basics, and apart from this, okay, for example, when I'm discussing that appropriate topic, I'll give you simultaneously interview questions also. Okay, then you can simultaneously study the things also. Yeah, these are all the things I'll discuss in the upcoming classes. How to retrieve the data from the front end and how to represent that particular data under the back end, how to represent under the front end. Okay, this particular part, everything I'll discuss. And also I'll discuss the projects also. Okay, and another thing is a component composition. I will ask you one thing. Okay, you need to apply some stylings or not. When you created some components, you need to apply some stylings or not. Please unmute your mic. You need to apply some stylings or not. Okay, stylings makes that appropriate component attractive. You can able to see. See, just I'm placing this. See, automatically it is increasing. how to design this type of scenarios. Everything I'll design. Okay, in component composition, for example, if you increase it 25, immediately 25% will be increased. For example, if you mention 100% will be increased. How we need to design all these particular things, everything I'll make you to understand. In the upcoming classes, okay, everything I'll discuss different types of scenarios, and I'll make you to understand on each and every scenarios. Okay, after this, let me try to explain about in every scenario, the practical scenarios will be covered. Okay, so many on each and every topic, practical scenarios will be covered. But there are 4 types: parent to child, child to parent, and LMS and PubSub. Okay, so when I'm discussing parent to child, I'll discuss some scenarios. And child to parent, I'm discuss 3 to 4 scenarios. 3 to 4 real-time scenarios, I'm saying again. Everything, okay? In a similar way, when I'm discussing LMS also, independent frameworks, okay, I'll discuss different scenarios. Okay, and when I'm discussing component communication, again, I'll create a separate tab. You can able to see. Okay, for example, here you submitted employee name Piyush. Okay, employee city Hyderabad. Okay, employee phone 9989. Okay, when you click on submit, immediately the data will be submitted. See. Everyone able to see the data has been submitted to data table. For example, here increased 100%. For example, if you click on increase, okay, the buttons will be increased. For example, if you click on decrease, how to implement these type of scenarios? Whatever the things which I'm discussing, definitely these scenarios will be helpful in your real time. Yeah. Okay, for example, I'm sending, hi, I'm Sharon. Immediately the data will be sent to another LWC component. Yeah. This is the thing. Like this is nothing but a PubSub. And in the similarly, when I'm discussing LMS, I'll discuss a multiple scenarios. Yeah. Yeah. And I'm discussing, hi, I'm Aish. Immediately it is been. For example, if it's a subscriber means it will receive. Okay, for example, if you unsubscribe, they will not receive any data. Okay, how are you? Okay, it will not receive any data. It is nothing but LMS. Everything I'll implement by using LMS, everything. Every scenarios will be covered in the upcoming classes. Okay, don't worry about this. Every scenarios will be covered. Any queries to anyone? Ankita, P, Sharon, still have any queries? Any queries?
How we are going to this? Are we going to use like VS Code or something?
Yeah, I'm using Visual Studio Code and Lightning Studio for developing all these particular things. Visual Studio and Lightning Studio, yes. Okay, after completion of this, I'll discuss about lifecycle hooks. Okay, lifecycle hooks are very, very important. In interview, they will ask you the questions. Okay, like we have constructor, connected callback, rendered callback, disconnected callback, and error callback. These are the different types of lifecycle hooks are there. And also render method. So everything I'll take different types of scenarios, but in real time we are using only connected callback. Even in the training I'll cover each and everything. When I'm discussing the lifecycle hooks, again separately I'll design. I think you can able to see when I click on sign up page will be open. When I click on back. So like this, let's create different types of UI. Again, back like this. Let's create different types of UI. Yeah. After completion of the lifecycle hook, let me try to design about other concepts. which is nothing but navigation service. Here there are 9 scenarios are there. We'll discuss one by one. Yeah, anyone know this? Like for example, if you're taking some account, okay, like you're building some LWC component, okay, with your data, okay, like name, email, phone, okay, when you click on next, immediately it will get another personal information like this. Anyone observe this? Anyone observe this? When you click on submit, immediately the data will be submitted. Anyone observe this? Okay, when you click on next, immediately another component will be loaded. Means I am navigating from one LWC component to another LWC component by using navigation mixin. Okay, I'll discuss different types of scenarios. Okay, and another thing I want to convey, I'll give you notepad files in a structured manner. I'll give you notepad files on a structured manner on each notepad files in a structured manner on each and everything, whatever I'm discussing. On each and everything.
Then like recordings, class recording.
Yeah, recordings are also provided in the drive. Recordings are also will be provided. Okay, this is the thing. Recordings are also will be provided in the drive, and first 3 days are demos. Okay, today is the first day, and next 2 days are demos. After that, link will be changed. Okay, after that, link will be changed, and you need to after completion. Yeah. Okay, this is the thing. Navigation service, and after completion of the navigation service, I want to discuss about one more concept, which is nothing but okay, under this I'll discuss different scenarios, like how to, like we know that whenever we are seeing any websites, we are seeing the images, and also we are seeing the third party APIs like this. We have different types of scenarios. Here we have different scenarios. Okay, let's discuss. Okay, when I'm discussing Salesforce resource component context notification, again I'll create a separate app. See, just to load the images. Here I loaded the images. Okay, and also for example, if you click on download, immediately attachment will be downloaded. Yeah, you can able to see attachment is downloaded. Okay, for example, if you click the success, immediately like this. How to implement all these type of scenarios? Everything I'll do it under Salesforce resource. Here, definitely, whatever the classes which I'm teaching, definitely it will be helpful for you. I'll guarantee, because the previous students are also had been placed with different companies. That's why I'm been damn sure. Yeah. Here I'm teaching LWC. Okay. Here in the DURGASOFT, I'm teaching LWC. Lightning Data Service. Okay, it is nothing but LDS. Here we have Lightning Record Form. Okay, Lightning Record View Form, just to create the forms. Lightning Record View Form and Lightning Record Edit Form. Okay, just to create the form, we can use LDS. Okay, just to create the forms, we can able to see. Okay, when I'm teaching LDS, again I'll go with Lightning Data Service. Everyone able to see? Just I created different types of forms. Okay, like customer also will be entered the data like the sales agent, whatever the people. For example, if they clicked on submit, immediately the data will be submitted to. Let's see, you can able to see. Immediately the data is submitted to the backend. How to create the forms like this in a structured manner. Everything I'll discuss in the upcoming classes, like with different use cases. After completion of this, I'm going to be teach about book listing, how to integrate with and LDS wide adapters also one concept. Okay, here we have three functions: create record, update record, and delete record. When I'm discussing LDS wide adapters, let me try to just. There are multiple ways to create a form. LDS wide adapters is also one of the structure. Yeah. There are multiple ways to create a form. This is just loading the data from the backend to frontend. Yeah, like this, I'll discuss multiple scenarios here. We'll discuss. After completion of that, let me try to discuss Apex. How to involve Apex programming in LWC by using while method and by using Apex imperative method. Okay, how to involve Apex classes in LWC? I'll give you a brief agenda, and also when I'm discussing Apex in LWC, again I'll create a separate card. Everyone able to see just when I'm clicking? Okay, I'm getting all the data. If I'm getting show account, immediately all the accounts are. If you click on hide accounts, like this, let me try to discuss different types of scenarios. Don't worry, everything I'll be in proper manner. Okay, I designed everything structured in a proper manner. After completion of all this, okay, integrating with external API, which is nothing but book listing API. Okay, everyone able to see? Just if I type it yes, immediately I'll get the related S books, Salesforce books. Yeah, like this. Like I'm integrated this particular information with external API. Okay, how to integrate and how to display the data. It's very easy. Okay, I'll explain in a one by one manner. Yeah. After completion of all this, yeah, experience cloud or community cloud. Okay, let's design one traveling website. And also let's design one healthcare website also. I'll show you what are the things which I'm going to design. Is my screen is visible to everyone? Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
This is the healthcare website I'm going to be design using Experience Cloud. Okay. When I click on preview, this is the healthcare website I'm going to be shown. Welcome to Star Health, this particular things. And coming to this traveling application, you can able to see. These two applications I'm going to be design. In really, I see in multiple training institutions, they are not teaching this Experience Cloud, but Experience Cloud is very important. Yeah. Then only the customer know how it will work in the real time. Yeah. This is the thing. Okay, sales agent will comes to Experience Cloud. The customer can use Experience Cloud, not backend. The backend they don't know. Okay, sales agents or customers, whatever it may be, they will prefer this Experience Cloud to see the data, whatever it. This is the thing. As I told you previously, after that I'll discuss interview questions. Okay, and another thing is whatever which I'm teaching, definitely I'll tell you what the things. For example, when they told the scenarios, like in interviews, when you are going to the interview, they will ask you what are the real-time scenarios you've done. Yes, definitely I'll tell you. Okay, from my classes, what you need to tell. I discussed multiple scenarios. From my classes, what you need to discuss in front of the interview. Everything I'll discuss. Okay. I covered multiple scenarios here. Yeah. So many scenarios. And the training should be 1 month. Because you need some time, okay, to practice the class. That's why I'm giving the class on Saturday. Sometimes, if syllabus is not on completed, then I'll take the class on Saturday also. And I'll take the class because you need some practice on Saturday also. Okay, syllabus is not on time. My main agenda is I need to complete the syllabus on time and everything I need to cover. That is the thing. Yeah. Yes, this is about the thing. Anyone have any queries? Sharon,
So
query.
I am from like non-technical background completely. Like I'm working as a business analyst. So will it be difficult? Though I have a knowledge of Salesforce administrator and everything, but will it be difficult for me to learn
no, it will
because
not
now
be
coding
difficult.
is involved?
No, shut up. What's it? Ankita, it will not be difficult. Everything I'll teach from scratch. Okay. If you followed what are the things which I'm teaching, definitely it is enough, Ankita. Okay. Because so many people are there. Okay, that's why I'm being believed. So many people, if you practice, it's fine, Ankita. Even you're from, if you have some admin knowledge, means Salesforce knowledge, means it's fine. You know objects and relationships, how to create objects and how to create relationships in the Salesforce.
Yeah. That I know. Like
Then it's absolutely fine, Ankita. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, Venkat, I have a query. It's related to role actually. Is there any role for LWC developer? Or it's like Apex Plus
Yeah,
developer,
Salesforce
but in
developer only
Java.
includes LWC. Yeah, Salesforce developer. So sometimes there are separate hiring for LWC. Okay, so mostly Salesforce developer only they're asking LWC. Okay.
It's like combination of Apex and LWC, right?
Yeah.
But in Java, like we have a Java developer and
Separate.
like
Yeah, here
front-end
it is
developer.
separate. It is separate. In Java,
We have a
like
front-end and back-end developer, right?
yeah, even I'm a Java
But in
developer.
Salesforce, okay. But in
Java.
Salesforce, like Apex
One
Plus LWC, right?
yes, Apex plus LWC. Even I'm a
Okay.
Java developer initial 2 years. Okay, coming to Java, everything you need to write the code from scratch. But here, no need of writing each and everything from scratch. You can take all the things, whatever it means, 50% of coding and 50% of configuration. And even to deploy to the cloud, then it is AWS or different things. But here, no need to use any of the things. Here we have experience, cloud, each and everything. So as compared to Java, so it is 100% easy. Yeah, because I know the difference in between Java and Salesforce. That's why I'm suggesting.
So are you using Apex code or in Java code in your project?
We are using Apex because I'm a Salesforce developer. Why we need to use Java?
Okay, so Apex and Java is almost similar, like
Apex and Java are almost similar, but it is completely different. In Java, they will use OOPS concepts, but here we'll not concentrate on OOPS concepts. Like here we'll follow on triggers and asynchronous programs. Somewhat similar, not fully sure. But we are not using. We are using Apex only. Yeah.
yeah.
Apex
Because the
is
thing is, I'm learning Apex in meanwhile, so I was asking.
okay. Fine, Sharon. Yeah, yes.
So
Apex
I'm
is different.
completely trying to move from from admin to development. So that's the thing.
Yeah, it's
I
good
know the
idea,
Java
Sharon.
concept. Yeah.
No worries if you don't have Java concepts also, no worries. Yeah. Like here, I'm teaching LWC. If you're learning Apex from anywhere,
Yeah.
okay, fine.
Oh,
Please learn. Please learn. Piyush, any queries? Piyush, Ankita, Sharon, any other queries? And Sharon messaged her email and name. And Ankita, can you please message your email, name and number. Email, name and
okay.
number. Yeah.
Okay. Where should I message it? Like
In the chart. You are able to find the chart?
no.
Okay, no worries. So kindly please join tomorrow also, same timing, Sankita. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I'll be there.
Classes will be continued regularly. Today is just introduction. Any other queries, Sankita and Sharon Piyush?
Hmm.
Just only I given some brief agenda. Every day, what are the things which I'm creating? Every day I'll upload to the drive. Regularly it should be going to happen, and it is in a structured manner. So tomorrow also the class should be some 7 to 8. Okay. So today is just only intro. Just I given some idea. Tomorrow onwards, just like I'll install the Visual Studio Code, and I'll start with HTML.
Okay.
CSS and JavaScript. After that, I'll start with LWC basics. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, team. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's meet tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.